So, just a little check-in, guys. Been home now about a full week from offshore, and I've done well. I've done what I said I was going to do, or try and do. Come home from offshore, stay off the fast food, went and got a nice big shop straight away, and I've been cooking high protein food, really nice meals. In fact, I'm gonna take you downstairs in a minute and show you what I've been making for breakfast and what I've been making for some of the meals. I've made this unbelievable pasta. I'll show you it in a minute. But yeah, just a little body update, of course. It's all about health and fitness, this channel, Operation Feel Fit. And I'm 13 stone 12. I've just weighed myself there. I'm just about to go and get a shower. But before I do that, I thought I'd head downstairs and just show you what I've been eating, So, like I say, 13 stone 12. I was 14 and a half stone not long back. Just cleaned all this carpet last night. It's looking really nice now. It's a bit slippy though, going down the stairs here. That's why we've got the towel at the bottom. There's my gorgeous dog. She's under the bed somewhere. Lily, are you coming down for a wee-wee? There she is again. Right. I made this unbelievable overnight oats. It's Biscoff, right? So you've got overnight oats, I crumbled up some biscuit, and then underneath that you've got like the Biscoff, what's it called? That stuff. Where is it? Where is it? There. I've basically put that in the microwave, some of that in the microwave, and put some of that on top of the overnight oats. That is gorgeous, by the way, for chicken burgers. Shot some of that on chicken burgers, guys. Unbelievable. So yeah, that tastes gorgeous. I'm going to have that for my breakfast. And that's got protein in it, by the way. It's got protein, so Greek yogurt, which has got protein in it anyway. Some protein, I've used it up, but some of that but different flavour. It was like vanilla. And then, what else was it? Some of this, sort of a bit of that, and some honey. And then I left that overnight, and then I put some of that on the next day. The Biscoff and whatever. What else have I made? I made some unbelievable pasta. Where is it? I'm going to try them as well from Aldi. These are meal replacements, 30 grams of protein in them. I thought I'd grab one of them yesterday. Got some chicken curry and egg fried rice that. But I'm not talking about that. What I made was unbelievable. Where's it gone? Don't say the kids have had it. I think the fucking kids have had it. What do you mean? Eat it is. Right. Pasta. This is unbelievable. I'm very proud of this. Everyone loved it in the house, everyone. I've made another batch. So you've got here beef pasta. What's inside there is a bit of cream, right? One of them, and it's obviously meal prepping this, so you get about 4 portions out of it. One of them, the secret ingredient is this. Nando's chili jam. That's the secret ingredients in that. And what else was in there? I'm also having these as well. These morning shots, they're unbelievable. Them from M&S. M&S, let me just stick that on there. We'll try and have this now. I'm going to go and smash the gym now as well. First thing in the morning, have a nice healthy shot. They're very fiery then. Make my own of them as well. So I'll keep all these and I'll just make my own rather than go and buy them. So I'll show you how to make this. I'll do a video and I'll show you me cooking it. But yeah, it's like pasta, like I say, you've got cheese in there. This is also the secret ingredients for it. This is it. Shawarma seasoning, kebab shawarma seasoning. So basically, how you make it is you boil your pasta, you put a bit of salt water in there, let that bubble up. While you're doing that, fry your beef, put some of that on. Before you do that though, you put like obviously onions in there, peppers in there, fry them off first. Then get your beef in there, then sprinkle some of that on there, salt, pepper, and then at that point your water's going to be bubbling over on your pasta. So you get a ladle, you take a little bit of the water out and you put it in there with the beef, let that simmer off. Then you get your cheese that I've just shown you there, you know, your Philadelphia, you bang that in there, give it a mix, it goes all nice and creamy. You can put a bit of lazy garlic in there, which I didn't show you, but a little tub of lazy garlic in there. Put some garlic granules in there, onion, salt, you know, like stuff like that, garlic granules and what have you. And then, like I say, the secret ingredients, rather than put tomato puree, in, I thought I'll try that, you know, chili jam, Nando's chili jam, put it in there. Oh, unbelievable that. I really liked it. That's basically the ingredients. And then at the very end, what you do is you put some normal cheese in there, grated cheese, and it just brings it all together nice and like, you know, thick and creamy. Now that doesn't look nice, but when you put it in the microwave and mix it up, it's nice, really nice. I forgot to put the chili jam in this one, but it's not a problem because you can just put it in the microwave, mix it up, and then just put it in at the end, give it a good mix up. It's even better when you make it fresh and you have it straight away, you know, but it's still very nice even warmed up. So I'm making quite a lot of these pastas, you know, obviously chicken ones, you can put any different kind of meats in there, but really healthy, high protein. And yeah, I'm getting my cook on. Stay away from that fucking fast food, fucking shite here. We are on a health kick, big health kick, and I'm here to take it along with me. Okay, so watch your space, guys, and get subscribing.